There is rat poop all over the kitchen. This apartment is not sanitary. Alright guys, let's do apartment tour. Okay, so here is the entrance. Okay, so remember I'm staying here with my family. This is the entrance. And we immediately have the bathroom. It's a little messy, okay, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, here's the toilet. It's a very small toilet. Shower is very tiny too, but at least they are separated, and you know, it's comfy enough, I guess. And shower is just like this little cubicle, very small. And then we come here to the grand living room, and yeah, it's okay. By the way, rats included, guys. There's rats included in this apartment. So here's a beautiful kitchen, all right. And this morning we started hearing this funny noise that sounded kind of like, you know, some squeaky pipe or something like that. And we were like, oh, that sounds like a weird pipe that is squeaking or something. So it comes from down there, guys. And I am very sure it's either mice or rats, because look at this, guys. So there's where the trash is. Can you see all those droppings? Can you hear that squeaking? There's a rat in there, guys. What do I do? I tried complaining. We still have to complain to the place where we made the reservation. But we sent a message to the apartment management. And then, guys, we noticed that there's another dropping there. Another dropping. So dropping, I mean rat poop, okay? Here's another one. Here's another one. There's another one back there. This is unsanitary, guys. This is just unsanitary. Like, what the fuck? And, you know, the excuse that it is Paris, you know, it is Paris and therefore there are rats, that's no longer valid in 2026 because, sure, there may be rats in the city and whatnot, but rats in an apartment, that's unacceptable, all right? That is disgusting. Is he in the garbage? I think so, yeah. Yeah, but I think it may be a baby, the one that is squeaking, because it doesn't move, like it's just squeaking. Maybe they put a trap, so that is what is making it screaming. I don't want to find out, okay? I don't want to find out. It's not my problem, all right? They're the ones that have to deal with it. I'm going to report it to hotels. I'm going to be a big Karen. You guys know how I am, okay? You guys know how I am, guys. I'm going to be a big Karen. I'm going to report them to hotels.com. I'm going to complain to the management. I'm going to force them to give us a refund or switch us to another apartment. You guys know how it goes. If you've been here long enough, you know how it is, guys. If you don't know me, then just know I'm one of the biggest Karens on the internet.
Call the police.
Wait, can I call police for rat? I don't think so, no.
You actually look like the chef from the movie Ratatouille.
That's not true. So my dad bought these macarons from the Eiffel Tower.
Dessert for the rat.
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's from Pierre Hermé. He was told, my father was told, that these are exclusive of the Eiffel Tower. They only sell them at the top of the Eiffel Tower or something like that. So he bought these. I tried one and they were okay. They were not like anything special. They do look pretty good.
Dad got scanned.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, but he likes to buy these kind of things, so I can't really stop him. Oh shit, it's marzipan. It's great, Chad. It's very special, very exclusive.
Why are you dropping crumbs for the rat?
Well, someone has to feed them. You know, I don't think the mom is coming anytime soon. Yeah, you guys are right. I did throw stuff on the floor. Maybe the rats are my fault. I should not be complaining. Look, I'm gonna give the rats some food, okay? Mickey. Can you just throw the garbage?
Can't you just throw the garbage?
What do you mean? Like take out the garbage myself and deal with the rat myself? No, why would I do that? Dude, did you see all the poop on the stove, on the kitchen top? It means this rat was here before we even arrived, before we started putting our trash there. It means that the cleaning crew literally saw that there were rat droppings and they didn't do anything about it. What do you mean? Why are you trying to blame me? It's not my fault. It's not my family's fault, okay? It's this place. Could I throw away the trash? Sure. But should someone else do it because I'm a big Karen? 100%. And then he also bought this special little case with the same ones. the chocolate and the marzipan. Anyway, guys, continuing with the apartment tour. The plan was for me to sleep here, so my parents and my nieces can be comfortable in the actual real beds, right? But they did show something different on the pictures, guys. So they were able to hide some details, which is why we fell for it, right? But anyway, so internet doesn't work. That's great. Well done. This turns into a big bed, big double bed. This is where my parents are sleeping. Let me show you why, okay? So we have this little staircase that leads to the upper room. And let me show you what the upper room looks like. Yeah, this is the upper room, guys. Well, but anyway, so this is supposed to be a full room, guys, and the picture that they show is basically like kind of like this, so that it seems that it's a full room, you know, so you don't see the angled rooftop and you don't see that the bed is on the floor like this, right? So they cheated on that. Wait, let me try to angle it even better. Yeah, so I guess they took the picture like this, right? So it seems like a full room. But then when you see the reality, it's something different. And then, guys, there's another room, an extra room. I don't know if you noticed this, it's the staircase over there. Well, let's just say if you are Snow White, one of the 7 dwarfs of Snow White, then you can definitely fit through there. Okay. Cancel antenna on the bed. Yeah, it's not that bad, actually. And the bed is pretty comfy, too. But I mean, my parents can't go here, of course, because, well, they are older. Wait, what are their bugs now? No, what is this? Oh, okay, these are like some sort of beetles, so at least they are not bed bugs or anything. We have been very concerned about that, but no, they're just beetles, guys. Look, let me show you. They're beetles, but no, where is it? Ah, it's flying, it's flying. Dude, we paid 1,500 euros. This is not a cheap place, guys. It really is not. Okay, go. Okay, it's out. They're out. So look, it's such a tiny space to come up to the other room. It's kind of crazy. So, you know, my parents obviously cannot go through there. There is, however, another door to access the apartment, and this leads directly to the staircase. So it means that if someone is sleeping there, you can, and you need to go to use the toilet or something, then you cannot go through there, obviously, because people are sleeping there, right? But the bed itself is very comfortable and everything looks clean. We actually did check for bed bugs, and no, we didn't find anything. So yeah, we got kind of scammed, I guess. So it was 1,500 for what, like 4 nights? Is that cheap, guys? It's not cheap. 375 euros per night. That's not cheap.